Okay class, here we have problem number 8 from homework section 2.5, and it asks us to evaluate or simplify 5/6 divided by 1/2 times 1/4. And in order to do so, I'm going to follow my order of operations, which I've laid out over to the right. And looking at what I have in this problem, I have division and multiplication. So I do not have parentheses, exponents, addition, or subtraction. So we're simply focused on multiplication and division. If I remember my order of operations correctly, it tells me I should multiply or divide from left to right, giving no preference to multiplication before division or division before multiplication, simply moving from left to right. So in this case, since division is on the left, that one will be done first. So we are going to divide first. So remember, in my division rules, it tells me that division should be done by multiplying by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we change the 1/2 to 2/1, and we change the division to multiplication. And now let's perform that. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 1 is 6. So we have completed our division. 5/6 divided by 1/2 gave us 10/6. And now, since we've completed our division, we will focus on our multiplication. So let's drop that down. Times the 1/4 from the beginning of the problem. So 10/6 times 1/4 would be 10 over, and 6 times 4 would give us 24. So now we have completed our multiplication. And now that is our answer, but we need to double check to make sure we cannot simplify or reduce that fraction. And I notice immediately that both of these are even numbers, which means they are definitely both divisible by 2, or they have a common factor of 2, we might say. So let's divide that common factor of 2 out, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. And double check to make sure I could not reduce or simplify anymore. 5 and 12 share no common factors. So there we have our final answer to problem number 8. And again, the key to this one was to remember that I should divide before I multiply it. I need to move from left to right. Okay, class, I hope that helps.